What's happening, guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can probably see behind me, the BMW is up in the air. We are going to be fitting their VRSF 7.5-inch intercooler today. I'm quite excited about fitting it. It's one of the parts I think the car needed the most. It does struggle after a couple of pulls. If anyone has one of these, you'll definitely notice that it definitely gets a bit of heat soak. I'm not surprised because the standard size of this is like, it's literally not even probably 2.5 inches. I'm not too sure exactly, but look how small it is. Obviously we're going to be coming all the way out here. I believe we've got to cut this out of the way to about here. I believe it's a matter of 2 bolts, a couple of clamps and stuff. I definitely think I'm more than capable of fitting this. The downpipes are a lot harder, but yeah, I'm excited. So let's get the bonnet open and start taking down the strafe and going from there. Okay, so there's a set of tabs that go onto this plate here. They lock in. If you just twist them, pops your strafe. Do wear glasses or stand away, because just look at all the crap that comes out when you take it out. Next is you've got to pry these clips. These are holding the intercooler in place. Pry them out, and then it's literally a matter of undoing that torque screw there. Same on the other side, and then just wiggling this out, and then boom, that should come out. And then we'll move on to getting these pipes out. I know, Shadow, small, isn't it? So comes out fairly easy. Well, literally once you take the 2 clamps out either side, literally this screw this side for some reason was really rusty. Got that out, and then yeah, that's it, pretty good. Okay, so next is we've got to undo, still got the stock charge pipe in. That's what I'm going to be changing next, but I have to undo that duplicate clip to get these pipes out. Now I do believe you've got to split these pipes with, I think there is a clamp there, just in that gap there, that clamp there. We've got to cut that clamp, I believe, to split them to get them out, because I believe this bottom section comes out the bottom and then that side comes out the top. And I believe it's the same with this pipe this side as well. So let's get going. As you can see, done a cut that band off, got this section out. Now we're just going to undo that section and pull that out from the top. This is the other section that joined onto that. We literally just pulled that out at the top, come out fairly easy. This clip kind of gets in the way if you try to pull it downwards, so definitely go through the top outwards. Just going to get the second one out, and then we should be good to start getting all the new bits in. Okay, so this one was a lot tougher. I had to properly cut this one out. Doesn't matter, it's not going back on. Out with the old, in with the new. I'm sweating. Okay, so here's what comes with all the, there's the intercooler in there still. Here's all the piping we need. We'll put on the passenger side first. This elbow to take it down. This is new hard piping instead of the plastic piping. Hard piping with a 90-degree there almost. And this is the reducer to go onto the driver side here, to go bigger down into the intake there. Comes with these lovely heavy duty clamps. Obviously these T clamps, I believe these are called T clamps because obviously the bars are T. Best clamps I've used, don't get none of that pinching effect or nothing like that. So we're going to get this side on first, and then we'll get this side on, and then we should be able to just slot the intercooler in. I do believe we'll start cutting, but we won't do that yet until I'm ready to go. Okay, so that was harder than expected. So new silicone joiner, nice clamped up there, very tight to get the clamps done. Same here, this side was a lot harder, so what you have to do is kind of line it up top to the charge pipe, then pull it out of the charge pipe, drop it down so you can do the nut up, and then push it back up to get to about that sort of level there. That should line up with the intercooler, fingers crossed. Next step is, I'm going to take it slow, I'm going to cut about here, and then I'll slowly work my way out. These fins have to be removed, and then here as well, so we'll cut them out now. So as you can see, size difference, bigger's better as they say. It's just absolutely, obviously you've got this big stepped bit at the front, that's the stock one. So basically it's the stock one times probably like 3, including the front piece. All the pipes are done, got the clamps ready. I'm going to see how much we're going to cut a little bit at a time. I think the rain's coming, we're not too sure how long we got, but we're going to give it a go. Okay, just a small update. We had to cut this plastic up here away because the cooler sits just up behind this lip here, and then obviously all this plastic, this is the crash bar, sits just behind the crash bar here. So we cut all this away, all that away, and now it fits perfectly. I was getting worried because I thought the fan was going to be in the way, but you don't need to remove the fan. So you can see what we're dealing with. Umbrella, English weather, typical as always. But yeah. Okay, literally just managed to get the 2 screws in. There was no play to use the washers. Got the screws in to hold the intercooler in place for now. We need to slide this clamp down. However, what we have noticed is this, well, I've just noticed is this slightly pushed the pipe up that goes to the charge pipe. So we're going to see if we can undo that and lose the tension there. This side we're just doing up now, doing both T-clamps up there. But yeah, it's bolted in, it's solid, it's absolutely huge. But in the end, as you can see, the intercooler sits just there. So you have to cut out all the plastics that shroud the top of this and sit it in now, which is cool. Happy now, the rain stopped. I'm very chuffed, I can't wait to get the car going. We're going to triple check all the clamps that we've done up, make sure that they're all super tight, and then yeah, should start her up and see her running. What we did just get delivered was, which I believe to be the HKS blow-off valve, so we can do the charge pipe and the intake as well. So, car's down, let me clean this. Car's down, the weather's not in, just started it up. It looks absolutely wham. Now it's on the floor, look how big it looks. I'm gonna get the bumper back on, and then I'm gonna probably upload some numbers now. We're going to move into fitting the charge pipe and intake, but that'll be a separate video. But we're definitely going to finish off, get the front bumper fitted, show you what it looks like once the front bumper's fitted, and then we'll recap after. It looks... Anyone who knows cars, when they see that, they know it's on. From here, like just walking up to it, you can definitely see it. 100%. I'm still humming and ahhing about getting possibly similar like yellow VRSF sprayed on the front. I'm not too sure yet, but for now it sits snugly in that bumper. I absolutely love it. Went for a little drive just around the block. It's fine, no issues. We're going to move on to fitting some more parts. That'll be obviously the next video. There's no point prolonging this, but again, the fitment on it is perfect. Once again, a little bit fiddly getting the pipes in on from the charge pipe, but other than that, fitment's perfect. Shouts out to VRSF once again for hooking your boy up. It's been a pleasure. So little bits, all these little mods will all add up to something in the long run. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Kilbster out.